Machinery Company Limited was established as a comprehensive plastic machinery company. We are located in Zhangjiagang City with convenient transportation access. We have been in blow molding machine, injection machine, and plastic extrusion line for rich experience and are specialized in providing all kinds of blow molding machine, injection machine, plastic extrusion line, plastic recycling line, and other machine. We are famous for superior quality, competitive prices, first-class craft works, safe package, and prompt delivery. Our quality team strictly controls each process. Therefore, we can fully satisfy your demands and have a large customer base. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our products sell well in USA, South Africa, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, etc. Except our own products, we provide OEM services and accept customized order as well. We and our associate company have developed designs for our customers in South Africa, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, USA, etc., and our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry.